So welcome to our flipped classroom. Today we're going to be learning about subtraction on the second grade level, which contains using numbers that are single digits. So we're going to just subtract them and learn how to do it, break it down, and we're going to learn why these formulas and subtraction are important in the real world. So we're going to be using flipped Google Classroom today. This will help show videos on how to break down the problems and do them efficiently. It'll also show worksheets and other helpful tips on how to do subtraction. And we'll also show examples too. And we're going to be doing this for the second grade classroom. And the reason we're doing a Google Flipped Classroom is because it will help students gain a better perspective on how to use subtraction and why it's important to use in everyday life.